Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth from Flowers Talk Tivoli and welcome to my house. I am feeling everything spring right now with the temperatures rising, and I wanted to shoot a quick little video on how to make a living centerpiece for your home. So I've already started with a little bit of dirt here. I apologize, but a lot of you have these kind of trifle containers for beautiful desserts, but today we're going to be making a very simple centerpiece with them. So just super simple, really nice and clean. You can do this with something that's a depression glass or a lot more of a kind of ornate design, but I just went really simple. So just start with three very basic bulbs. So I'm doing all three of the same. I'm choosing to use Muscari, which is also called grape hyacinth. We have the bulbs in stock at the store. We have daffodils, we have tulips, hyacinths, Muscari, and crocus as well. They kind of vary week to week by availability, but I decided to work with all of the grape hyacinths today. So I placed those in there, and you can see their roots, really pretty. But I'm going to add in some sphagnum moss, make this a little bit more like an Easter nest. So just take your sphagnum moss and slide it in between all of your bulbs. Move your arrangement around as you do. Sorry. So just filling in the space between your bulbs and your edge of your container. I have a puppy at my feet right now, so sorry. It looks like I'm standing in a weird position. Lola is laying right between my feet. And of course, I don't want to disturb her, so I will dance around my pretty baby girl. Okay, so I have my sphagnum moss there, just really simple around there. And then you could do a bunch of different things with this. If you wanted to add like little feathers in there, little cotton balls, if the kids wanted to get involved, add in some other little things for Easter, you can. Pussy willows would look really great in there, and it would also help support the bulbs. And then I'm just going to add in some of just the little artificial eggs that we have. They come with little strings on them, but I've cut those off, and I'm just going to nestle those in around the top of my moss. So really simple, just a nice little pop of color. So the Muscari are a nice little light blue color. So when these come up, they'll be really pretty against the robin eggs of the robin egg color of those artificial eggs. So really simple. This will last you for a couple of weeks or so. Very economical way of making a living centerpiece. Again, you could add in some pussy willows in there. You could add in some other things. It's completely up to you, but I just hope that this inspired you to maybe start thinking about spring. I know we're all ready for it, and creating something living for in your house. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.